Hi, cellists, students, subscribers, YouTube followers, and people all over the world. My name is Jonathan. I play cello and I teach cello, and I'm your cello coach. And today I am announcing my first tour, teaching tour, yes, because I'm a teacher. It will be on the East Coast of the United States, starting in March, the 6th of March to the 14th. I'll start in Washington, D.C., make my way down to Charlotte, and then Atlanta, and then ending up in Sarasota, Florida. I will be along those routes, driving and flying there, but of course, with my wonderful Italian cello, be bringing from this part of the world, yet also traveling with my wonderful bundle of joy, which is my mochi ball. And so the both of us will be traveling from Washington, D.C., basically Virginia area, to, again, Charlotte, then driving down to Atlanta, and then to Sarasota. I will be hosting mini boot camps, cello camps that last for a day. If you want more information, I'll leave it in the description below. It's a sort of an 8-hour all-day event where you meet and we play cello together. And that's one happening in Atlanta, one in basically DC, and one in Sarasota. And so the one in Sarasota will be interesting. It may take place in a gym because I'm the cello coach. And so if you do live on the East Coast of the United States and would like to join in or simply meet me, I will be driving along, and so drop me a email. I prefer that if you would like to coordinate anything along those lines. You have a rare opportunity to meet me and maybe have a lesson with me. I'll be traveling along teaching with my cello. I'll also make a quick little visit to the electric violin shop in Durham, North Carolina. I'm terrible with my Carolinas. But yes, this wonderful bundle of joy will be here, will be with me. My cellos will be with me, and from March 6th to March 14th of this year, I'll be there in the United States. And then afterward, in Houston, Texas, from the 14th to the 23rd. So if you live in Texas or in Houston and also would like to meet me or maybe have a little one-day cello camp, please contact me via email. I know I've taught some of you that have lived in Houston or live in the area. Well, I have an opportunity to host one more mini cello boot camp there in Houston, Texas. So that's all I have to offer for you. Yes, I have a new bundle of joy, and her name is Mochi, and she will make sometimes very frustrating, annoying interruptions to my teaching, but this is kind of the reason why I have not been so much posting, because I've been having to deal with this now 3-month-old. Do you know the breed? Because not many people know who you are or what you are. Yes. We're going to make this dog popular again. If you know what the breed is, put it in the comments below. Anyway, I'm back at it. Teach you with my new cameras, with all my new angles, if you like that, in a new format. And I hope that you continue to enjoy the channel and enjoy doing what we do, which is learning online. Of course, I am always open and ready to accept new students to the studio. Yes, you can learn cello online. It doesn't have to be a lockdown or a pandemic. It can be something you do all the time. And my students from all over the world can attest. So much so because later this year, I'm visiting Australia. And I'll talk about that later. So thank you once again for sharing your time with me and Mochi Ball. And I hope you continue to enjoy traveling along your own path of music discovery. And we're going to go take our own path and go walk, right? Yes. Bye-bye.